Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to unlink your Apple ID from your Wuthering Waves account. Now it's a very easy process. There's a lot of YouTube videos running around saying you need the application of Wuthering Waves, the settings, but you can't simply do it from out there. Now what you want to do is actually go into Google Chrome or your preferred browser, and from there head down to your Apple account. So Google Apple account, head down to the Apple ID, and from there visit your account page. Now I'm going to do this privately because otherwise I'll get some phone calls. So simply sign in. I'll be right back with you. And once you're signed in, it should look something like this. And here you can simply go into the sign in and security tab. From there scroll all the way down till you find sign in with Apple. Now here you see all your connected websites and applications. Scroll all the way down till you find the Wuthering Waves application. Now as you can see right here, stop using sign in with Apple. Simply press this, stop using, removing, loading, and as you can see, Wuthering Waves has been deleted from my Wuthering Waves, from my Apple ID. So the both are unlinked. Now, if this tutorial has helped you get further with your problem, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.